Simplify a plus b times a minus b plus b plus c times b minus c plus c minus a times c plus a times c minus a. సో చూడండి చాలా పెద్ద క్వశ్చన్ లా ఉంది కానీ చాలా సింపుల్ ఆన్సర్. కొంచెం అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే దిస్ ఇస్ a plus b into a minus b, b plus c into b minus c, c plus a into c minus a. సో ఇది ఏ ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉంది? a plus b into a minus b. This can be written as a square minus b square plus b plus c into b minus c, b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. A square, now simplify this, a square plus a square minus a square cancelled out, minus b square plus b square cancelled, and minus c square plus c square is cancelled. Then the answer is 0. Chala simple question. If square root x by y plus square root of y by x equal to 10 by 3, then find x times y, x into y. Solution. So squaring on both sides to find the x in x times y. So x by y, square root of x by y plus square root of y by x equal to 10 by 3. Squaring on both sides. Square just then it becomes a plus b whole square formula. And x by y plus y by x root of whole square is equal to 10 by 3 whole square. Then square root is cancelled out. Then left x by y plus a square plus 2ab plus b square. 2 times square root of x by y times square root of y by x plus b square. Square root cancel, then y by x equal to 10 square is 100, 3 square is 9. Now look at this. In the middle term, root x by y times root y by x is cancelled out. Then x by y plus 2 plus y by x is equal to 100 by 9. So subtract 2 on both sides. Minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 cancel. X by y plus y by x equal to, so minus 2 cheste, then 9 times 2 is 18. 100 minus 18 is 82 by 9. Now take LCM of x by y and y by x. So denominators are y and x, xy, and here y divide the yx, x times x into x square plus, so x divide the yx, y times, then y into y square equal to 82 by 9. Now do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 9 times x square plus 9 times y square is equal to yx times 82. 82 xy. 82 xy equal to this, it is 0. This becomes negative. So factorize this. So this is in the form of 9x square minus 82 xy plus 9y square. So 9 9s are 81. What are the 81 factors? It must be, sum must be 82 and product must be 81. 81 ones are 81. And 9x square minus 81xy minus xy. 82xy can be written as 81xy and minus xy plus 9y square. Now factorize this. These two terms, the common factor is 9x is a common factor. Then x, 9x square learns 9x factor is the x minus 9y. And then factorize these two. And what is common factor? Minus y is a common factor. So x minus 9 plus 9y square learns minus y is the minus 9y. So the x minus 9y is a common factor. X minus 9y and 9x minus y. Here x equal to 9y and y equal to x equal to 9y and y equal to minus y equal to, transpose this 9x to other side, that is also 9xy. Negative minus cancel, then y equal to 9x. Here x is 9 times y is 9 times x. So we get infinite solutions for the given xy. ఇక్కడ మనం కనుక్కోవాల్సింది ఏంటి xy కదా. ఈ xy ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడానికి మనకి ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ఫినిట్ సొల్యూషన్స్ వస్తాయి. దెన్ x is 1, దెన్ వాట్ ఈజ్ y? 9 times y 1 అయితే x ఏమవుతుంది? y is 1 and x is 9. If y is 2, y place లో 2 substitute చేయండి. x equal to 9 times 2, that equal to 18. If y is 2, x is 18. So ఇలా మనం ఇన్ఫినిట్ సొల్యూషన్స్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్లోకి వచ్చేసాం. ఆల్జిబ్రాలో ఎడిషన్, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, డివిజన్ అండ్ స్పెషల్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్ అన్నీ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకొని మనం ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్లోకి వచ్చేసాం. ఫ్యాక్టరైజేషన్ చేసేటప్పుడు లుక్ ఎట్ ద ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టర్మ్. ఫ్యాక్టరైజ్ 25a² and 5ab. In the two terms, what is common factor? 25. First look at the constant terms, constant coefficients. ఈ రెండు కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్లో కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్ ఏంటి? 5. 5 is a common factor. And then look at the variable coefficients, a² ab. ఈ రెండింటిలో a is common factor. So 25 can be written as 5 times 5 and 5 is 1 times 5. a times b. Here a into a. ఈ రెండు టర్మ్స్లో కామన్గా ఉన్న ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ 5a. So 5a కామన్ తీస్తే, so write the common factor out and write the remaining factor. 5a, 5 over, then left 5a plus ఈ 5aలో 5 పోయింది, a పోయింది, a and 5 brought out, and then here left b, only b. So the two factors are 5a and 5a plus b are the two factors of this 25a² plus 5ab. Next, 4 plus 21x². 4 plus 21x². So 21లో 4లో ఏమైనా కామన్ ఫ్యాక్టర్? Is there any? Sorry, this is not 21, 12. 12x². In the both the terms, what is the common factor? 4 is the common factor. 12 is 4 times 3. This is 4 times 1. So 4 is common factor. Then bring out the 4 as common factor. 4 times 1 plus 12 on 3, 4 factor this is, then left 3x². So 4 and 1 plus 3 are the factors of 4 plus 12x². x into a plus b whole square plus y into a plus b whole cube plus z into a plus b whole to the power 4. In these three terms, so factorize this. Common factor, can you see any common factors? Yes, a plus b is the common factor, but look at its powers are different. But we have to take highest common factor. Highest common factor is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole cube also can be written as a plus b whole square times a plus b. And a plus b whole to the power can be written as a plus b whole square times a plus b whole square. Isn't it? Right kada? Ante వీటన్నిటిలో అన్ని in the among all common factor is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. So write the common factor out and remaining factors is inside the brackets. A plus b whole square, remaining factor x into x plus this over. Look at the second expression, plus y. A plus b whole cube, a plus b whole square, if brought out, then it left a plus b one time, and then z plus z into a plus b whole to the power 4 into a plus b whole square. This way a plus b whole square is left. So these are the two factors. A plus b whole square is one factor, x plus y plus a plus b plus z into a plus b whole square is another factor. Factorize 3ab plus 6bc plus 4ad plus 8cd. How do we factorize a, b, b, c, a, d, c, d? So no term has all common factors. Ikkada 3ab, what is the common factor in the first and second term? B is common, right? So bring out the b and write the remaining factors. 3a plus b common is the 3a left, and then here b is there, 6 times c plus here d is common factor, then d into 4a plus 8c. So after we brought out the b, after taking out the b, then what is the common factor? 3. This is 3 times 1, this is 3 times 2. So write 3b, 3 is common, then a plus, this is 3 times 2, right? 3 common, this is then 2. 2c plus d, here 4 is common factor in the both the terms. Then 4d into a plus 2c. A plus c is common factor in the both. Now a plus 2c is common factor. And then remaining factors are 3b plus 4d. This is the factorization of this multinomial. Factorize x square minus 8xy plus 16y square plus 16y square. So this is looking like, is this a perfect trinomial, perfect square trinomial? The perfect square trinomial కాదో చూడాలి అంటే ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ కి లాస్ట్ టర్మ్ కి ఉన్న న్యూమరికల్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్స్ కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్స్ కాదో చెక్ చేసుకోవాలి. హియర్ there is no coefficient which means 1. Can we write 1 as a square, 1 square, and 16 can be written as 4 square? So yes, this is the perfect square trinomial. So which is x square minus, this can be written as 4y whole square. So did you observe this? Is this in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square? Try it. So a is x and b is 4 times y. Right? 2 times a is 1 and 2 times ab, b is 4y. Is that in the form? Yes. So x square minus 2xy plus y square. So now this can be written as the a square minus 2ab plus b square formula. Here a is, instead of a, write x minus y is 4y whole square. So this can be written as the factors of this x minus 4y times x minus 4y. ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేరా లేదా కాదని తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఫస్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్, ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ సెకండ్ టర్మ్ ఆఫ్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ నంబర్స్ అయితే అది పర్ఫెక్ట్ స్క్వేర్ అని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. అండ్ దెన్ థర్డ్, ద మిడిల్ టర్మ్ 2ab term. 2ab is nothing but the roots of the first and the last terms product which is multiplied by 2. X square plus x minus 1 by 4. So factorize this. So this is also same as the previous question. Look at the first and the last terms. Are these perfect squares? Yes. Here one, the coefficient is 1, we can written as 1 square. So x square plus 1 by 2 whole square. A square, b square. In the middle, 2 times a is 1 and b is 1 by 2. Sorry, 2 times x this is. 2 times x. So 2 cancel out, then we get the same after cancel out. So can we write, this is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then its factors are a plus b into a plus b. So here instead of a is x is the first value, and instead of b 1 by 2 is the 1, x plus 1 by 2 times x plus 1 by 2. These are the factors of the expression. Factorize 48a x square minus 75a y square. So what are the common factors in these two terms? Write the common factors out. 48 and 75. Which is common factor? 3 is common factor. 3 for 16s and 3 25s. So 3 is common factor. Look at the variables. A is common factor. That's it. 3a times 16 x square minus 25. 3 divided by 75, 25 times y square. Can we simplify anymore? Did you observe 16 is a perfect square number and 25 is also perfect square. So can we write this as 3a into 4x whole square minus 25 is 5 square, which is 5y whole square. So look at this. This is in the form of a square minus b square. Then 3a into, so a square minus b square can be written as a plus b into a minus b, which is 4x plus 5y into 4x minus 5y. These are the factors of the 48ax square minus 75axy square. Factorize 2x square minus 1 by 2. 2x square minus 1 by 2. So to factorize this, first we have to multiply by 2. The expression 2 multiplied by 2. 2 times x square minus 1 by 2 is equal to 4x square minus 1 by 4. So this is the perfect square number. This is also perfect square number, which can be written as 2x whole square minus 1 by 2 whole square. Now this is in the form of a square minus b square. Then a plus b into a minus b formation. Then 2x plus 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 by 2. These are the factors. Factorize x square plus 9x plus 20. X square plus 9x plus 20. We have to find two numbers whose sum is 9. Whose sum is 9 and its product must be 20. Similarly, numbers, the trinomial. This is the factorizing trinomial of which is in the form of x square plus ax square plus bx plus c. E formation lo unna expressions. X square plus 9x plus 20. Factorize this. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here a, b, c are constants. A is 1, b is 9 and c is 20. So the factors of 20, we have to take factors of 20. Its sum must be 9. So what factors of 20 makes sum is 9, which is 4 5s are 20. So write x square plus 9x. 9x can be written as 4x plus 5x plus 20. So only 9 can be written as the factors of 20 in the form of factors of 20. Sum of factors of 20. So now write out the common factors. What is the common factor in the x square plus 4x? X is common factor. X into x plus 4 plus, in these two common factor is 5. So 5 common factors is x plus 5 divided the 4 24 times common factor. So x plus 4 is common factor and x plus 5 is other factor. So this is the factorization of a trinomial. Factorize j square. Factorize j square minus 11j minus 102. So this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b, c are real numbers. To factorize such a trinomial, the product of the constant, the factors of constant, we have to check the factors of constant, and the product of the numbers must be 1 or 2 and sum should be 11. So what are the factors? 1 or 2 factors. 1 or 2 factors తీసుకోవాలి ఆ రెండింటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే 11 రావాలి. 17 6 are 1 or 2. If you add this, then we get 11. But this is negative 11. If 17 is the negative, the greatest number, if this number is negative, the greatest number should be negative and the smallest factor should be positive. So this can be written as j square minus 11 can be written as minus 17j plus 6j minus 102. 17 6 are 102. The sum of 17 and 6 is minus 11. So common factors in these two terms and these two terms. J is common factor. J into j minus 17 minus 6 is common factor. Minus 6 into j minus 17. Sorry, this is plus 6. Plus 6 because this is negative 102. So j minus 17 is common factor. J minus 17 times j plus 6. These two are the factors of j square minus 11 minus 11j minus 102. Factorize 12y cube minus 14y square minus 10y. This is the trinomial. So trinomial, but this is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c formation lo unte last on a constant coefficient factors తీసుకొని which factors gives the sum as the middle number, we can factorize like that. But here this is different. So here the first term has a cubed. Common factor ఏమైనా ఉందేమో చూద్దాం. Let's see for the common factor in the three terms. So 12y cube, 14y square, 10y. Y is common factor in all the three terms. And any numerical coefficient as common factor. 12 means this is 2 times 6. 2 times 7 and 2 times 5, isn't it? So in the three numbers 2 is common factor. So 2 and y, 2y factor common, 2y common this way. This is 6 y cube y is out, and then y square minus in the 14, 2 times 7, 2 is out, and then 7 in the y square, y is out, y only left, minus 10y, y is out and 2 is out, here left only 5. Now this is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. ఇక్కడ మైనస్ ఉంది, ప్లస్ ఎలా అవుతుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను. అఫ్ కోర్స్ ప్లస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ 7y ప్లస్ ఆఫ్ మైనస్ 5 we can write in this way, ax square. సో ఆ ఫార్మేషన్లో ఉంది కదా. సో 6x square, 6y square. So 2y is the factor. So keep it aside. So now factorize this 6y square minus 7y minus 5. Same method which we did for the ax square plus bx plus c. ఇక్కడ ఉన్న కాన్స్టెంట్ ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ తీసుకోవాలి. C in the ax square plus bx plus c లో multiply the ac, the product of ac. ఇక్కడ ఏ ఫస్ట్ టర్మ్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్ ని కాన్స్టెంట్ ని మల్టిప్లై చేసి దాని ఫ్యాక్టర్స్ ని తీసుకోవాలన్నమాట. సో 5 times we have to take two multiples which is equal to product of a and c, and sum is equal to b. So 6 5s are 30, this is minus 30. So minus 30 factors, the sum should be 7, negative 7. A factors తీసుకుంటే product negative 30 అవుతుంది, sum negative 7 అవుతుంది. 30, 10 and 3, 10 3s are 30. If the middle term is negative, we have to take a greatest factor as negative, and the smallest factor is positive. So this can be written as 6y square minus 10y plus 3y minus 5, minus 10 and 3. So minus 5. Now factorize this. These two common factor is 2y is keep it same, and రెండింటిలో common factor into 6y. 6 even number, 10 is an even number, both are divisible by 2, and y square y is common factor. Then y minus 5 plus, wait, this is 3y, sorry, 6 to divide the 3, 6 3 times, 3y minus 5, and plus here 1 is common factor, there is no common factor, so 1 only the common factor, 3y minus 5. So 3y minus 5 is common factor in the two terms. So 2y into 3y minus 5, remaining factors into 2y plus 1. This is the factorization of the 12y cube minus 14y square minus 10y. Which is correct factorization of x square minus 10x minus 24? Option A, option B, option C, option D. Which is correct? Guess it. Let's check it. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So x square minus 10x minus 24. ax square plus bx plus c formation lo unnadi constant term యొక్క factors తీసుకోవాలి. What are the constant term factors which gives the sum as 10? Which factors of 24 gives 10? 6 times 4 gives 10. But this is negative 10. So negative 10. Both are negative 10. If you take both are negative numbers, it gives 10. But its product will be positive. Product term positive avutundi. Are these suitable factors? No, these are not suitable. Check other factors. So 12 2s are 2 12s are 12 2s are, yes, 12 2s are 24. 12, a sum of 12 and 2 is 10. When the 12 is negative, 2 is positive. These are two suitable factors of 24, which gives minus 24 as product, and the sum is minus 10. Right. So x square minus 12x plus 2x. So minus 10x is written as minus 12x plus 2x minus 24 as it is. So in this two, first two terms common factor is x into x minus 12 plus or minus. We have to take the minus as a common factor, and 2 is common factor in the both. 2 into x minus, sorry, first term is positive, so take 2 is positive, x minus 12. So x minus 12 is common factor, x minus 12 is common factor, and x plus 2 is other factor. So which option is correct? X minus 12 and x plus 2. Option D is correct. So this is not, are there any common factors in the 3? Yes, 3 is a common factor. Then first take out the common factor 3. If you take out the common factor 3, this is 15x to the power 4 and plus x square minus 6 is the other factor. Now factorize this. Even though this is in x to the power, we can factorize. Take the product of 6 and a and c. This is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Here we have to consider x square as x. Then 5 6 are 30. Takes 30 factors, multiply a and c. So the factors of ac sum must be x square. Its coefficient must be 1. Which factors gives 1 sum? They sum 6 and 5. 6 and 5. So product must be negative 30 and sum should be positive 1. Positive 1. So positive 1 6 should be positive, 5 should be negative. Now is this gives the sum is plus 1 and product is negative 30? Yes. So 3 into x square, so 5x square plus x square can be written as plus 6x square minus 5x square minus 6. So 3 into common factors in this 2. X square is the common factor and then, sorry, x to the power 4. Yes, x square is a common factor, then write 5x square plus 6 minus what is the common factor in these two? Only 1 is the common factor. So 5x square plus minus already common tisangati, it becomes plus 6. So 5x square plus 6 is common factor after factorization. So now 3 into x square minus 1 is one of the factor, and other common factor is 5x square plus 6. These are the 3 factors of the 15x to the power 4 plus 13, 3x square minus 18. Thank you.